The reason that I'm making these videos is because my arm is in pain from typing. I'm taking a course and they will not allow you. This is the only version of the notes that I've seen that they've given us some of the notes, but most of them they won't. They'll only give us an outline and we have to type it in or fill it in. And my arms are just broken. So if you're in the same situation I am, get yourself an ice pack and just start videotaping shit, because it's really not worth blowing out your forearms and getting carpal tunnel because they're afraid someone may steal their information, because that's really what it's about. Okay, I'm rambling, but let me get on to it. Okay, so these are Penal Law, Article 10 definition. This article provides important definitions that are necessary to understand the penal law and the CPL, including accusatory instruments, criminal procedures, and related statutes. Offenses: conduct for which a sentence of a fine or term of imprisonment may be imposed. Penal Law 10.01. Crimes: a misdemeanor or a felony. Penal Law 10.006. Felonies: offense for which a term of imprisonment for more than 1 year may be imposed. Penal Law 10.005. Misdemeanors: offense other than a traffic infraction for which a term of imprisonment of more than 15 days and up to and including 1 year may be imposed. I like to just say up to 1 year. Over 15 days and up to 1 year. Petty offense: a violation of a traffic infraction. CPL 1.2039. Violations: offense other than a traffic infraction for which a sentence or more than 15 days cannot be imposed. Penal Law 10.003. Traffic infractions: any offense defined as a traffic infraction. I don't know why that's cut off. Something happened to that one. I'll have to look it up. Let me continue. 10. Offense means conduct for which a sentence of a fine or term of imprisonment may be imposed. Traffic infraction is an offense defined as traffic infraction in Section 155 of the VTL, Vehicle and Traffic Law. Violation is an offense other than traffic infraction for which sentence in excess of 15 days cannot be imposed. Maximum sentence is 15 days. That's why it's just better to say up to 15 days, and you know it includes 15 days. Misdemeanor is an offense other than a traffic infraction for which a sentence of more than 15 days and up to and including a year can be imposed. Felony is an offense for which a sentence of more than 1 year can be imposed. Crime means a misdemeanor or felony. Physical injury means impairment of physical condition or substantial pain. And it says that's another note I made to myself. Serious physical injury means physical injury which creates a substantial risk of death or which causes death or serious and protracted disfigurement, protracted impairment of health, or protracted loss of impairment of the function of any bodily organ. So physical injury, bodily organ. Deadly physical force means physical force which under the circumstances used is readily capable of causing death or other serious physical injury. Deadly weapon means any loaded weapon from which a shot readily capable of producing death or other serious physical injury may be discharged, or any of the following: switchblade knife, gravity knife, pilum, ballistic knife, metal knuckle knife, dagger, billy, blackjack, plastic knuckles, metal knuckles. Dangerous instrument means any instrument including a vehicle which is readily capable of causing death or other serious physical injury. Peace officer is any peace officer defined in the CPL, as well as any federal law enforcement officer defined in the CPL 2.15.